Viral garlic butter chicken skewers you can make in your air fryer in 20 minutes. These are so delicious, they go out fast. These are the boneless chicken thighs. We are using just 1 pack today. 2 pounds of the chicken thighs. Cube them out into biteable size pieces. Cube it. Leave an inch space in between. Our chicken is ready. Delicious thigh meat is cubed out. Take handful of garlic. Dice them in. Garlic is fine diced and chopped. We will add this in our bowl. Fresh mint leaves. Fresh mint is chopped right here. Basil is already chopped. 2 tablespoons. Parsley flake, 1 tablespoon of parsley. This is all the beautiful fresh blend of garlic chicken skewers. Take half slice of the butter and add it right here. This is what it is. Let's marinate our delicious chicken skewers now. Let's start with the garlic salt. 1 whole tablespoon of. Look at this beauty. This is awesome. Onion powder, 1 tablespoon of. The pepper paste, mild, it's not super spicy, tablespoon. Come out. Okay. Olive oil for this, 3 tablespoons. Use your beautiful hands, wear some gloves, and let's massage this. Chicken is completely marinated. So easy, right? These are bamboo skewers. So we will take it and just stack the meat on top, just like that. Don't leave any space in between. That's what makes the chicken juicy. So 1 skewer is completely ready. Look at this. Beautiful. This is stacked out meat, deliciously flavored. 3 beautiful chicken skewers are ready. Let's turn on our air fryer and let's put them in the air fryer at least for 12 minutes maximum. Put it on air crisp. Temperature should be 400. Time should be 12 minutes. Air fryer is ready. So we'll add 1, 2. All fit in here. All deliciously looking good. So we have 12 minutes to go. For the initial 6 minutes, cook it like this. After 6 minutes, flip them over. 6 minutes are in at 400 degree in air fryer. Let's flip the skewers. Yum. Close this. We have 6 more minutes to go. 12 minutes are gone. Whoa, man, they look so good already. Yum. They look so wonderful. Let's close the lid. Remember this: garlic, parsley, mint, and basil. Put them in microwave at least for 1 minute. This is after 1 minute. It was on the cook. Give it a mix. Oh my god, the smells, the aroma is awesome. And it's completely ready. Let's grab our chicken skewers now. So here you go. Still sizzling. Grab 1. Whoa, looking so good. Let's cover it with delicious fresh butter, basil, garlic. Rub them on top of it. Oh my god. So easy, man. In 20 minutes with the whole prep, everything, you can make this delicious garlic butter dripping out of it. Delicious steaming hot skewers. Let's do for the other 2 as well. Fresh chunks of garlic, basil, mint. Here you go, the second one. Perfectly ready. Let's do a taste test. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. Whoa. the best ever chicken skewers in your air fryer. These are so delicious, man. In 20 minutes we made this whole. You can serve it as a appetizer, you can serve it as a meal, you can serve it as, you know, snack, whatever you prefer. And basil, let's put some more, let's cover it. This is the hungry bite. These are soothing chicken skewers you can make at home. The crunchy, oh my god. Oh. Enjoy this recipe, make this recipe in your air fryer in 20 minutes, in your kitchen, in your house, in your restaurant, in your canteen. You're gonna love it. This is delicious. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the bell icon so whenever I post something you should know about it. So I'll see you on the next one, and then take care of yourself and bye bye for now. One down, second to go. Look at this. Whole chicken skewers, under 20 minutes. Prep time 5 minutes, cook time 12 minutes, butter time 1 minute. It's under 20 minutes. Why are you not making it?